guys, so we've just gone to the shopping centre. So we've so basically what we're doing is we're doing a blindfold challenge, and we're selecting items that we want the other twin to try. So me and Amelia have just gone shopping. I'm totally not vlogging in the shopping centre, thank you Mandy. So I'm in the car right now while our food's getting cooked because we're on a coffee date with Mum. So Amelia, let's show what we've bought.
The first things that we got was...
So Mandy doesn't like avocado, so we're going to make her a avocado chicken and cheese toasty. There's a twist as well. Obviously we're going to add the avocado in. Also got canned chicken to add in the chicken and cheese toasted sandwich. Chicken, cheese and avocado sandwich. So chicken, canned chicken. So that's the little surprise. I think I'm breaking the rules, but YOLO. I might also add in a nice little surprise in the toasty as well. So we're gonna actually call it a chicken, cheese and avocado and sardine sandwich. Little surprise in there. Hopefully she likes it. I might put it on one side, so like get her to bite one side, and if she doesn't eat it, I'll get her to bite the other side, which is the sardines in it. If not, I will just put sardines somewhere where she's gonna, you know, eat it or whatever. Now we just picked this random fig roll. Never even heard of it before. Don't even know if she likes figs, but that'll be her dessert. And then Mandy doesn't like anything like peanuts or nuts or anything like that. So we've just got this trail mix for her to try. It's got, I think it's like a honey glaze, it says. And it's got cranberries and things in. So good luck, Mandy.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoy. Thanks, guys.
Alright, guys. For our food challenge, we're going to pick 3 items for Jodie to eat, and we've stopped down one aisle at the moment. So we have a rule, only allowed to have 1 tin food. There's a lot of gross tin food out there. Originally we thought we'd get her some tin peas because she absolutely hates peas, but we did get her dog Macy some cat food, and we decided that we're going to be doing cat food in the hopes that she thinks it's tuna. And the tuna fillet with seaweed. Alright, so for our next food, we know that Jodie absolutely hates peas, but she hates the tin peas from when we were younger. So instead of getting fresh peas, we're going to get her something that's spicy as well. So it's wasabi flavored peas. Alright guys, we have decided on our last item. It's going to be something in the baby food section. The creamy banana porridge, and that's going to be our last item.
First, so blindfold on.
I got my water here, so we're sponsored by this water bottle company, which is nothing.
So enjoy the video. Thumbs up if you like it. No thumbs down. I've seen 1 thumbs down. And also, we need to get new subscribers because none of you any comments in our next video, which we wanted everyone to kind of like ask us more twin questions, and I'm like literally like
we've got no
2 questions.
Yeah, we've got no questions. So how are we going to do our next segment if we don't have any questions? So comment some questions that you would like to ask us.
Yeah, otherwise
we'll stop making videos. That's it. We'll stop making them. These are going to be fun. No, I'm just joking.
She will. Alright, so this is the gourmet meal Mandy's getting. So, you already know what it is by now. Alright, so I think we're going to start off with an entree for Mandy. So, where's the spoon, Amelia?
It's the biggest spoon that we're meant to have. But
no, but this one's worth it. Alright. Okay, so I'll put it in your mouth. That's fine.
Okay.
Alright, ready?
It's not. It's a teaspoon.
So Mandy is correct, but what flavoured nuts?
Look, it's disgusting. No.
Don't swear, ours is a children friendly.
I don't know. But
It's a trail mix and it's like honey glazed. And it's got cranberries, it's got peanuts, it's got cashews. All of your favourite. Don't reach into the
I can't
camera.
follow
This is how you're supposed to vlog.
I can't follow
Just you can have some water.
it. God.
No, just swallow it. Your nose is gone. Well, you get another tablespoon if you can't. So Mandy absolutely dislikes nuts, like peanuts and everything like that. So you can tell that she doesn't like it.
I'm stuck in my tooth.
Flavour for later. That's what happens when you eat the nuts. Like you get flavour later. Yeah.
Makes me like. Ugh.
Alright, so now we're up to the main meal. So you're going to take a nice big bite of this one, okay?
No, it meant to be a teaspoon. That was more than a teaspoon.
Alright, so...
Ew, how are you touching that?
Obviously, it's some sort of meat.
I'll put it in your mouth. Just open it up and take a nice deep bite.
It smells like fish.
Take a bite.
Oh,
Take a bite.
the dogs are looking at me. They like it.
That's May May.
What is that? Does it taste nice?
Nothing.
It's salmon.
Salmon.
No. What is it? Tuna. I don't know.
There's 3 ingredients, so you don't like it.
I don't know. I made with fish. And some crunchy thing.
Crunchy.
Yeah.
Oh, must be the bones of the
Sardines.
the sardines. Have you swallowed it? Do you want to know what else is there?
We'll do it later.
Oh, there's 3 ingredients in that one. I cheated. I put 5 ingredients.
I told you.
But
you
do-
cheated.
Is
And
there
that-
anything
is that
else
all-
that
is that
you like?
everything
No.
No.
We got dessert.
The last thing I think she's actually gonna like.
Yeah, like
I
this
don't
one.
think
This one's a little bit different. All right, so
Reveal it later. I don't want to. I'm gonna finish off with this dessert.
No, this next
Dessert,
one will
yeah.
be nice.
Here, you can hold on to it
It'll be nice.
and have a chew. Have a bite.
I promise it'll be nice. I don't know.
With a dog biscuit.
No.
No, big bite. Yeah.
Muesli bar. No?
No.
Or some. I have no idea.
Do
All
you
right,
like
we'll
it?
have a look.
It's like
Have
an
a look
apple
at it.
thing.
Nah, it's we found it in like the cultural aisle, and it's like a fig roll.
What is that?
All right, so
Salmon.
salmon. So your
avocado.
salmon, avocado, tin chicken, cheese toasted sandwich. I was gonna do chicken, cheese, and avocado sandwich. That was gonna be avocado was the main thing, but then I saw canned chicken and I saw canned sardines, and I was like, I want all of that into one sandwich.
Wait.
Alright.
You got canned chicken and canned
That was-
sardines. You cheated.
That was a good lunch. Not gonna lie.
You got canned sardines.
It's gonna be stuck in my teeth for the rest of the day.
Yeah, I cheated.
What was the last thing? Fig.
A fig roll. I thought it was a bit different.
Okay. Well.
Oh, I can't wait to dine in to Mandie.
Alright.
My hurricane.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll get the hang on, get the camera on for Jodie.
My Bizline's out.
Okay, Amelia's going to reveal what we have here.
Where's my water at?
So Jodie will need to guess these items. Oh, here. You got to make sure we're not trademarked Coles yet, Jodie.
Oh yeah, no, don't do that unless they sponsor us.
If Coles wants to sponsor us, we'll drink their water any day.
But we are Woolworths.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to start off with our entree. Okay, this is something that Jodie will enjoy. So we have to get a whole teaspoon
One of
worth.
these teaspoons.
No, not that teaspoon. We're not going to cheat like Jodie.
Is that in the camera view?
No.
All right, so you have to eat this teaspoon.
Is it? Do I get to put it in my mouth?
No, you didn't. I didn't get choice. Open up. Nice
Oh,
and
I can
wide.
smell some.
You can smell it.
Where?
Do you smell it?
It smells. I don't. Oh,
Open
it's
mouth.
a can of something.
No, it's not the can one. Open up wide, wide. Chew it.
Oh, hot. Oh, hot.
You gotta chew it. Yeah, it is water.
It sounded like you wanted more.
Alright, we're not gonna reveal what they are until later, because that defeats the purpose. Alright, so
That tastes like.
Can I do it, baby?
say it any louder.
I didn't say it loud. She couldn't hear it.
Stop.
That was spicy. It's not spicy now. That was spicy when you.
What do you reckon that was?
It's like some sort of chili. It's like those things that you get at the whiskey bar.
Do you want another one?
No, they're not like.
Do you actually like
Are they corn things? Like afterwards, they're alright.
Yeah. It's very surprising. Alright,
I never knew that.
yeah. Well, at least we found something you like. Alright, so then it's the
They
next
dried
one.
something, but
Yeah, so this is the next one. Oh, I can't really focus on that. So that's the next one we're going to be... This will be
I
your...
think I'm only saying it's nice because it's down the hatch now.
Yeah, so this one is
But
your
to begin
main.
with, it's gross.
This is your main.
So you can smell it and you can probably... It's pretty obvious what it is, but there's a distinct flavour in there that you would love as well. So, stop. Alright, smell it.
Oh, that's tuna. It's like, that's
open
the
up.
canned one.
Open up. Open up.
I can't. I like tuna, but I don't trust it. Oh. I can't move.
Chew it. You gotta chew it.
I can't.
Come on, Jodie.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
she has to have another mouthful of it. She can't swallow it.
I think she's gonna puke.
I can't hook.
I think she's gonna puke.
You didn't even chew it. I'll put a little bit more in there. You gotta chew it. So you gotta
No,
have
I did.
You gotta have a bit more now. Yeah, you gotta chew it. Okay, whatever.
She's gonna puke.
Can you think about the flavour then? What's the flavour in that one?
That's canned something. All canned stuff tastes like canned.
But what's the flavour in that one?
Fish. It's like fish or something. Oh, no.
Alright, Amelia's gonna feed you the next one. And this is... We ready to discuss this one.
Oh.
Alright, this one's a dessert.
I'm not even joking, I can't.
Ew.
Alright, open up. Amelia's got this one.
Can I
Don't-
smell it first?
No, smell it.
Oh, my God. Where, put it in.
Wow.
Smell it.
Oh, no.
What do you think it is?
Is that peas?
No.
Open up.
Oh!
Oh god. Alright, sit down. Alright.
Do you like it?
What is it?
The noise she makes.
Oh no.
Oh God, I'm going red. This is hilarious.
I can't move it from a thumb.
Then another teaspoon.
Really, sit down.
That's standing
Sit
up.
down. No, I can't see it.
Another teaspoon when you're ready if you don't eat it.
Alright.
Oh, that was disgusting.
Take your blindfold off?
No, I don't want to.
Cat food, baby food, and peas.
You're a bitch. Are you serious?
Yeah. See, egg.
That is disgusting. These are peas.
Yeah. They'll be.
Initially, they're disgusting.
Wasabi flavored peas. And then you ate some baby food. What you gave Millie when she was little.
Yeah, that was gross.
That's what you get.
I feel sorry for the baby.
And then there's a seaweed flavour in there. That's what.
That was the one that I was like, that can't be human, but like human food. But I was like, but you. I mean, there was no rules, but
It was just you get something from Walmart.
it honestly tastes like tuna.
Yeah.
Tuna.
Tuna and seaweed flavored.
Yeah. Anyway,
So-
thumbs down. I ate cat food. I did not like it.